Question number 5. The shape of the logo is given. This part is the sector of the circle. This is a triangle. Let's mark the measurements which is given. AD is given which is 8 cm. OD is given which is 3 cm. And AOD which is given 2.5 radians. This OB is also a radius. This is also 3 cm. Let's find the angle. Show that ODA is 0.45 radian to 3 significant figure. Let's find out the required angle of ODA. Consider this is the angle as X. Now see the triangle. OD is the entire one side of the triangle. We don't know the opposite angle. One side of the entire length is 8 cm. We know the radian value is 2.5. If we know the entire side of OA, directly we can use sin x by using the sine rule. But this entire side we don't know. So we are using this side and finding this angle. This will help us to find the unknown required angle. So consider this is theta. So 3 by sine theta, which is equal to 8 by sine 2.5. Sine 2.5. By cross multiplication, 8 times sine theta, which is equal to 3 times sine 2.5. So theta is equal to, theta is sine inverse of 3 times sine 2.5 divided by 8. By using calculator, theta is equal to 0.226355052. This is not our required angle. We need to find the value of ODA, angle ODA. So let's find angle ODA. Angle ODA is sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The radian value of 180 is pi. So pi minus 2.5 minus 0.2263555052, which is equal to 0.415 by 3 significant figure radians. So hence we proved. See the part B. Find the total area of the logo. There are two shapes joined in the logo. This is the major sector. This is the triangle. So we can find the area of the sector and area of the triangle. Then finally we can add the both area, that is the required area of the logo. So area of the sector. Area of sector. We know the formula. Area of the sector is half times r square theta, if theta is an radian value. So half times, what is theta? Half times radius of the sector is 3 square. Theta is, see, this is the major sector. So we can find the theta. The central angle is 360 degree, which is 2 pi. So 2 pi minus 2.5. So let's use that 2 pi minus 2.5. By using calculator, the required area of a sector is 17.0243388. Let it be, this is the area of the sector area. Now we can find the area of the triangle. So area of a triangle is, we know if the radian value, if the angle is given half AB sine theta. Half AB sine theta. If the theta, if we know the theta and the adjacent angles, adjacent sides of theta is given. So let's use this 1 by 2 times 3 times 8 times sine 0.415. We should not use this one because we don't know the entire side. We know only the two sides. So we are using, this is an angle. Now By using the calculator, area of the triangle is 4.83824979. Let's be. So now the required area of the logo is required area of the logo. We need to find out the answer is as 1 decimal places. By adding the both values, we can find 21.9 centimeter square. See the part C. Find the perimeter of the logo. So this is also we are going to find the answer as 1 decimal place. Perimeter is the arc length plus AD plus AB. This is the required perimeter. Let us find the arc length of the sector. Arc length is equal to r theta. Here r equal to, already we know this theta is 2 pi minus 2.5 because this is the major sector, major arc. So 3 times 2 pi minus 2.5, so which is equal to 11.3495592. Let it be. This is the length of the arc. Now let us find out. We know one more side, one more length. We know this is the entire length of AD is 8 centimeter. Let's find AB. This is the part of the triangle, but this is the radius of the triangle. We don't know OA. If we know length of OA, we can remove this 3 centimeter to find AB. So let us use the cosine rule because one of the angle and the adjacent sides of the angles also we know. So let's find the unknown side OA square. OA square equal to 3 square plus 8 square minus 2 times 3 times 8 times cos 0.415. This is the cosine rule. Always make sure the adjacent side of the two adjacent side of the angle which is given. We can find the third side. So OA equal to, after taking the square root of this value, OA is equal to 5.39206979. Let's find the value of AB because AB is the part of the perimeter of the logo. So AB is equal to 5.39206979 minus 3. So the part of AB is the length of the part. So 2.39206979. Okay. Now we can add all the required sides. So perimeter of the logo is, let us add 2.39206979 plus 8. 8 is one of other side. Then find out the arc length. Add the arc length plus 11.3495592. So the required perimeter of the logo is 21.7 centimeter by 1 decimal place.